Hi all, this is the sixth tutorial from NJan in JavaScript category, Conditional Operator in JavaScript. What is Conditional Operator? Types of Conditional Operator and examples. What is Conditional Operator? Simply execution control. Conditional operator used to make a restriction of code execution. Example, if you want to execute certain condition only on particular occurrence. We saw in previous videos for I'm having the some condition like I want to print only on when I am reaching particular condition. So for those cases we can use this conditional operator. Let we discuss about the types of conditional operator, then we can see the samples over there. If conditional operator, else if, switch. These are the major four types of conditional operator in JavaScript. First we will see the if condition. Here I am having the variable called age. It having the numeric value 8. I am printing the condition like if the age is less than 18, you are not eligible for the vote. This is a very simple condition, so I am checking. So right now the age is 18, so it's not getting allowed. So if I am trying to make us 34, so now it's not allowing. Now I am changing to 15. Now it is less than 18, so you are not eligible for vote. It's getting printed. Same like I am printing the else part also, for meaning if the age is less than 18 we want to print you are not eligible. If it is greater than 18 or equal to 18 we want to print you are eligible for this. Now age is 18, so I am getting you are eligible for vote. If I am changing this value to 15, I am getting you are not eligible for this value. So meaning we are getting the our satisfied condition, also the non-satisfied condition also using this if one else. Now we will talk about this example. It is we will have the some certain condition. It will not satisfy with the if also the else. It may have having the need of one more if. For achieving that, JavaScript, not only the JavaScript, all the programming having this kind of things like if, else if. Here, consider this, I am having the variable called mark that having the value of 80. I am printing if the mark greater than 18, first class. If the mark greater than 18 and less than 18, don't worry about these things. We will talk about in next tutorial. In between 50 and 80, it is a second class, else I am printing as failed. Let me check. Now I am why I'm getting failed? Oh, I missed the equal to over there. Here, what a crazy. I am getting the 80 but still I am failed. Yeah. Now I added the equal to. Now the condition is like greater than or equal to 80 is first class. Okay. Now, yeah, I am first class. Let me change. Maybe I am poor in English class. Maybe it is a English mark. I am getting 56. Now, second class. Mostly I am not getting failed, maybe some cases. Now I am getting 40. Yes, I am failed. This is a sample of else if. Now we are going to see the fourth type of, that is switch case. The switch is like a, it will pick particular condition, meaning in switch you can see set of cases. This case and cases is like a this is one case, one block. If the particular value occur, then it will it alone will execute. Like the way if it is getting occur satisfied, it alone will work. It having some default. I will explain you what is that. Also here you can see the break over there. The break only terminating this switch condition after this line of execution. Meaning if I didn't specify this break, it will execute the second case also. If I am not executing this break, it will execute the second case. Let me check. Here I am having the variable called name. I am assigning the name Raja. So if the name match with anything, so now I am checking. Yeah, it's telling hi Raja, how are you? Okay. Now I am changing this to maybe some name what I pick, Raghu. Wow, you are not my friend. because it's not satisfying with the first case, also second case, so it going for the default. So it is not the mandatory to keep this default, but if you are not specifying the default, it won't take the exceptional cases. Okay, let me check the first example over there. I am specifying the Raja. I am not having the break here. So let me check again. Check, hi Raja, how are you? Also, it printing the second case because I am not having the break there. So it continuing the second case also. So it is mandatory to have the break. Some cases we may skip based on our needs, but you can see the default won't have the break, meaning the default is always considering and the lost, so it's not needed the break. Maybe let me check, I am moving this default to upper, what will happen? So now it's speaking this, hi, how are you? Now check, I am changing to same my unknown friend Raghu. See this, you are not my friend. Again, it's executing, hi Raja, how are you? Because I moved the default into upper. So, still, the default also having the need to have a break. So, two things we get it here. We can place any cases in any order, but the break has to be there. Then only it will work perfectly. I hope you are clear on if condition, if else condition, if else if condition, now the switch condition. If you having any doubt, put your comments on this command window. Thank you. We will meet you.